In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to remove glass effect on your on the iOS 26 update. If you're on iPad or iPhone, you have to do the same thing. Just open your setting guys, and if you are in general, now you have to tap on this accessibility option, and in accessibility option in the first section you will see this display and text size. Tap on it, and now guys, to remove this glass effect on your iPhone or iPad, you have to tap on this reduce transparency, and this will reduce the glass effect on your iPad, and you will see uh, better changes, because this iOS update guys, 26 update, really pissing off lots of people, because the glass effect, people are not liking it at all. And so if you want to reduce the effect, you can use the settings. And also guys, if you keep your app icon if you keep your app icon in the dark mode, it visibles more, on the glass effect visible more, like you can see that. But if you keep it if you keep the default app icon, it reduce the effect also. So you can try this setting also guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos.